Trina here from Scrappy Horses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very quick video that I can post in conjunction to other videos explaining how to import an image into Cricut Design Space. I already had one, but I went to link it and realized, wow, that's an old video. Cricut Design Space doesn't even look like that anymore. So I thought, you know what, easier just to make a new one than to explain how it was different. So here we go. When you open up Cricut Design Space, it's going to look like what you are seeing on your screen right now. Let's go ahead and click New Project. I'm left clicking with my mouse, and it opens up our page where we can design and do all the fun things that we do. We're going to come over to this left panel where it says Upload, and we're going to left click with our mouse. Down here you'll see images that you've recently uploaded, if you have uploaded any. You're going to click Upload Image, and now all you have to do is drag and drop your file here. I am bringing in Snowy. Snowy is free over at the Connie Fong Facebook page, and I will link that below in the box in case you want to go find Snowy. All right, so there he is. He's right there, ready. I will be honest with you, I always use complex. So I click complex, I come down here, I click continue, and there he is. He's all ready. If you like him the way he is inside this box, then all you have to do is hit apply and continue. You can preview what's actually going to cut by clicking here. All right, let's say we don't want this whole thing. Let's say we just want little Snowy. That's very easy to do. You simply come over to Select, left click, then click what you want to hide or what you want to make go away. And we want all this surrounding area to go away, and now it's gone. Now, because I have watermarked this image, this little area right here didn't go away because the S closed it off. All I have to do is click right inside of there, and now that's gone. So if you have a little area that doesn't go away, that's how you correct that. If you decide, I'm not sure I wanted that to go away, you can come up and click your back arrow, and it will come right back. Now, let's say for some reason, a little splotchy area is still right here that you need to go away. There isn't one here, but let's just say there is. You can get your eraser out. You can change the eraser size here, and you can just erase. All right, so just to make that easy to see, let's hit our back arrow. Now it's all back again. See how I can just come in and erase this? So I'm going to hit my back arrow again, and we're back to the rectangle again. So I'm going to go back up here then, and let's figure out what this is, remove background. All right, so we just hit remove background, and all that is left are the lines. So this would not be something you would want to cut. This would be like just if you wanted to print it and you wanted to flatten this to a shape in Cricut Design Space. All right, so let's go back again. Let's go back and let's just do the select. There we go. And we hit apply and continue. Actually, let's hit preview cut image so you can see that. There it is. Now apply and continue. And there's what it's going to cut. And this is your print and cut image. And I have named this Connie Fong image watermark for demo. The tags, I definitely recommend putting tags in. A tag you might use for this would be penguin, holiday, gift, hat, scarf, animal. I try to come up with as many as I can, because if I have a challenge where it says, for example, the challenge might be use a winter clothing item. Well, I can type in hat and scarf and then this little guy comes up. Or a holiday, card. I can type in holiday and this little guy will come up. So I try to type in as many different words as I can come up with that will apply to this Digi. Then I'm going to come down and I have set up some collections here. And for example, Connie Fong is a collection that I have. So I'm going to add him to the Connie Fong collection. And now I'm going to select, do I want just the cut image or do I want the print then cut image? Definitely I want the print then cut image. And that's why I don't have a choice down here to click, is because I have not chosen one of these. I'm going to choose print then cut because I want to be able to see what I want to color. Upload. And now right there is little Snowy. I can click on little Snowy and I can say add to canvas. Okay, so I clicked him and you see the green show up around here. Add to canvas, click that. And there's little Snowy. And I can change his size, make him big and small, and I can flatten him onto different items. I can do all kinds of things with little Snowy now that he's here. So, hope this is helpful to anyone who does not know how to import an image. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below and I will get back to you. Have a great day and feel free to check out any of my other videos or all of my other videos. I have several Cricut Design Space videos that apply to beginners, clear up through more advanced techniques. So enjoy. If you're looking for something in particular, leave that in the box below and I will guide you to the right video, or I'll make a video for you. Have a wonderful week and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye.